Taken custody of the two CICL suspects, an alias Rod, 15 years old, also a student of the same school, and alias Nash, 14 years old, also of the same school. The subject, policewoman, is now under investigation and placed under custody of the Regional Police Office. If proven that they were remiss in the custody and safekeeping of their firearms, they will be charged accordingly.